this short presentation, you will proceed by land to encounter live polar bears, beluga whales, and walruses. Enjoy your adventure to Base Station Wild Arctic.
Come in, White Thunder. This is Arctic Control.
This is Captain Emerson White Thunder. Come back.
Captain, we have a nasty storm system closing in at 018. It's heading right through your flight path. It isn't picking it up.
No problem. We'll make it to Base Station Wild Arctic before that storm does. This is Captain Emerson. Welcome aboard White Thunder. We're heading to Base Station Wild Arctic. Should be a short, comfortable flight. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the scenery. Larboard and Caribou. Looks like they're going in our direction. These sensors detecting what appears to be polar bear activity. We're racing an Arctic storm, but I think we have time to take a little side trip. I'll set our rotors to whisper mode so we can get in close. Oh, look at that. A mother and her cubs. Let's leave them be. We're in luck. There's more animal activity on the other side of this glacier. If we hurry, we can take them. Hang on.
300 feet. 200 feet. 100 feet.
White Thunder to base. We're dropping underwater.
Water entry. Complete.
Whoa! That narwhal almost came in for a visit.
Storm warning.
Looks like that storm has picked up. We better get going.
Flying mode restored.
Don't want to scare those walrus. I have a warning indicator light flashing. Folks, we're sitting down on this glacier and I'm shutting down